Welcome back to Time to Read Tuesday. I'm Miss Katie at the Antwerp branch of the Van Buren District Library. I'm going to take my mask off while I'm alone in the library so you can hear me better. It's time to tell some stories together today. Before we start, we better sing our hello song. Ready? Friends, friends, 1, 2, 3. All my friends are here with me. Friends, friends, 1, 2, 3. All my friends are here with me. Hi, friends. I bet you already got your Play Along and Learn pack at your branch of the library, so you probably know that our story time today is going to be I is for ice cream. It's almost summertime, which means it's almost ice cream season. I'm so excited. Can't wait to go outside and get a scoop. Ice cream starts with the letter I. Can you make an I sound? Ready? Say, I love ice cream. To make an I, this one's great. Get your magic finger out and make an I. It's a straight line down with a dot at the top. Can you do it? Ready? A straight line down and a dot at the top. You guys are so good at your letters. I am so glad we got to do so many letters together this spring. Let's sing our Sounds Like song. I says I says I. Every letter makes a sound, and I says I says I says I. Every letter makes a sound, and I says I. Well, I can't wait to tell stories about ice cream. So I have my ice cream ready to go so we can tell some stories and rhymes. If we're going to have ice cream, we're definitely going to need a cone for our ice cream, right? Here's my cone to put my ice cream on, and then I have a bunch of scoops of ice cream. Look how many different colors I have for my ice cream. Let's tell a rhyme about those colors. Ready? Ice cream, the best in town. My favorite flavor is chocolate brown. Ice cream, what to do? This scoop is blue moon blue. Blue moon is so good. Ice cream, the best I think is ice cream that is strawberry pink. This one even has chunks of strawberry in it. Yummy. Ice cream, so chill and mellow, so tart and sweet and lemony yellow. Ooh, this is gonna be so yummy. Ice cream, what a sight. Up on top, vanilla white. That looks so good. Ooh, but it's not done yet. Ice cream, what a spread. Let's top it off with a cherry that's red. Oh man, wouldn't that be the yummiest ice cream to eat? Oh, it would take me all day to eat that much ice cream, don't you think? Maybe? How many scoops of ice cream did we put on our ice cream? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 scoops of ice cream? Oh man, when I go to Moo Moo's and get my ice cream, I get 1 scoop. I don't think I could eat 5 whole scoops of ice cream. That is too much for me. But I think I can accept the challenge. What do you think? 5 scoops of ice cream, no more, no less. 1 fell off, and that left 4. 4 scoops of ice cream, as yummy as could be. 1 fell off. Oops, oh no. 1 fell off, and that left 3. 3 scoops of ice cream. Yes, it's true. 1 fell off, and that left 2. 2 scoops of ice cream melting in the sun. 1 fell off, and that left 1. 1 scoop of ice cream sitting on the cone. I ate it up. That left none. Well, I'm glad I got a little bit of that ice cream before it all melted in the sun. Oh, I am so excited for summer, and I and getting ready for summer reading, which is going to be coming soon. This is my last story time, and I have had so much fun doing it with you this spring. We'll see you this summer for summer reading, I promise. But before you're done with your play along and learn bag, make sure you go all the way to the bottom of your bag and get all your papers, because when I was going through mine the other day, I noticed this little sheet right here. It says, Ready, Set, Read. Summer reading starts June 1st at VBDL. Make sure you're ready with a free gift from the library. It says if I bring this back, I can get a free book to get ready for summer reading. I gotta get up there and see if Miss Laura has any left for me. Whew. Well, I hope I see you at the library really soon, and I hope you find that coupon in the bottom of your bag so you can come back and get ready for summer reading. I'll see you really soon, okay? Bye, guys.